fingerprint, password, smart card. Once the doorbell is pressed, notification will be sent to the app, enabling remote unlocking. The app also keeps a record of unlocking history. Set up temporary one-time password. You may set up your start and end date. Suitable for homestay owners, cleaners. Powered by a 5,000 milliamp hours rechargeable battery, which can last for around 8 months. Low on bat, no worries. You may unlock using hidden Great Z key or jumpstart using power bank. Unlock using handle. Door remains locked even after unlocking. Contact us for reservation now.